Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing out there? Hey, if you're new here, you are mostly welcome. I appreciate everybody that have already subscribed, and if you haven't, why don't you take a second and just hit that subscribe button real quick. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Oh, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. All right guys, if you guys are ready, I am so ready for Valentine's Day. Ain't you guys? Valentine's Day, as we all know, is the day for love. I know we all celebrate love every day, but you know, Valentine's Day is for lovers. You get to celebrate with your loved ones and stuff like that. So I went to SHEIN, yes, SHEIN, and copped me a couple of Valentine's Day outfits, something that you could wear and still look sexy. I have a couple of reds because we all know red is associated with Valentine's Day, and I think I have one black outfit just in case you don't want to wear red and you want to look different. I also got you one black outfit. They all bandage material. It is so cute. It will give you the waist and the body you've always wanted. This is not going to be a styling video. I just trying to dress for you guys, but if you want to see how I style it, you should go to my Instagram, MrstitosTV. It will be up here, and you can just go ahead, follow me over there, and you will see how I style this dress for Valentine's Day. If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, before we start, I also did get some accessories from over there. They do have some cheap ones and they do have some really good ones also, but this ones that I got, I think they're really cute and they are made with good quality. So this is the first one. It is a cream color purse. It is so cute. It is so bomb. It is a bucket style. I think this is the style that is going around now for this year 2021. It is really cute. It has this gold hardware on it. It is really cute. You open it up by flapping this open. The inside is black, and it also have a lot of room on the inside. It also came with this chain. If you want to carry it crossbody, then you could go ahead and do just that. This is so cute guys. Really good. Really made good quality and everything. And yeah, and it also came with this handle. It's crunchy kind of handle. It doesn't struggle, but guys, this is so beautiful. Y'all see that? It is so cute. So beautiful. I really love this. Okay guys, this next one is my favorite. It is so cute and so chic and so small. Ooh, y'all see that? And it's acrylic, and it also, ooh, I'm not sure if you guys can see because of the light. Okay, it has a gold hardware also all around it. It has this handle right here. You could just handle it real cute. It is small though. It would not fit. Hold on one guys. I have the Note 10. And yeah, yeah, see that? It would not fit your phone whatsoever. You guys know we all have big phones now, so it would not fit your phone, but definitely will fit your little makeup, your I have some makeup here. It could fit your makeup, your liner. Nah, it would not fit your liner except for the small one. Some little change or whatever. Yeah, it's so cute and so chic. Your driver's license, your credit cards and stuff like that, it would definitely fit it. This is so gorgeous guys. Really cute. The handle doesn't go down, so be careful about that. We all know it's really like an acrylic clear thingy. It is so gorgeous, so chic and so nice. Love it. Okay guys, this third one is this black animal print. I think it's croc or snake, either one. It's just like this. It does have a pearl kind of, let me see, yeah, it has a pearl hardware right over there, and it's a drawstring kind of bag. It's very spacious. On the inside is also a bucket style kind of purse. It came with this chain if you wanted. For me, I really don't like this much. thought I was going to like it. I think the reason why I don't like it is it's very soft. It doesn't have any structure to it. And the hardware, the handle, it's not doing it for me. It's just not doing it for me. Don't get me wrong, this purse is really cute and it's really nice. Oh, excuse me. It was about to fall. It's really cute and it's really nice, but just I think what is throwing me off is this handle over here. So yeah, this is it right here. If you like it, go get it. Okay guys, this is the last one. This one is it's a no-no for me. Definitely a no-no. Don't get me wrong, it's really cute, it's really nice, very chic and very small, really petite. And you could wear this bags with the outfit I'm about to show you guys soon. It has this gold hardware, it has this circle thingy, and also some monkeys hanging on the side. Honestly, I thought when I got it, the plastic thingy was going to be like this one, this acrylic kind of thingy. If it was, trust me, this purse would have been great. It would have been so cute and so chic, and I would have loved it. But it has no structure to it. It's just, no for me. This is a no for me. So yeah, it has those monkeys over there. Yeah, it is a no for me. So this is going to be going back. Now let's get into the dresses. So somebody tell me, where we going on a date? Where we going on a date? This is gorgeous, guys. This is the first dress. I don't know why it's coming up as orange. Let me move close and see if the color. It is red. It is not orange. I don't know why it's coming up orange. This is off the shoulder. Nice cleavage going on. It is not forgiving at all in the stomach area, but if you can wear a shaper, because if I want to wear it, I'll wear a little bit of a shaper with this. This is it on the side. Is it on the back? Y'all see that, right? How it's just snatching you in. It doesn't have any slip at the back. It is like, guys, y'all, let's move this. Y'all see just how cute and how gorgeous this on the back. Like, it is so cute. It is crossbody in the front, and then the back is just plain zipper all the way down. This right here, I am loving it. Loving it. Just do your hair, put a little necklace on, a nice necklace, jewelry going on, your earring, and you are good to go. I really love this. It is a little bit opening, but it's not bad. You could still stretch your leg. You gotta be real classy in this, okay? Real classy, looking really nice in this outfit. Oh, beautiful, ain't it? Beautiful, ain't it? Yeah, I told you it's non-forgiving. So if you eat too much and you have a little fupa, it's going to definitely show. But I love it. I really love this. Okay, somebody, where we going to dinner? It is Valentine's Day. Let's go to dinner, baby. Ooh. Y'all see this one? This one is different from that one. This one comes up a little, and it has some ruffles over here, and also at the back, y'all see that? And it also have ruffles on the leg. Ah, baby. Hey, baby. I told you guys, where we going to dinner? Where we going to dinner? Oh, this is cute, guys. This is so cute. You could wear it like this off the shoulder. Oh, gorgeous. It is not orange, because right now I'm seeing it as orange. I don't know how you guys are going to see it when the video comes out. It is also non-forgiving for us with the fupa. So yeah, y'all see the shape is just giving your girl. This is so cute and so sexy. Sexy all the way. All the way. Valentine's Day. Where are you? Valentine's Day, where are you? Sorry, those who doesn't have a date on Valentine's Day. I apologize. But guys, this is so cute. Paired with this little purse right here, But the clear perspective, oh, mm, 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 mm. Who's ready? Who is ready for Valentine's? Because I know I am. Are you ready? This is so cute. I don't even want to take it off. Like, he does have a lot of gift to it. See, it's pretty widely open over there. So, yeah, if you want to get your business on before you get home, you could do that. Because this is not it. This is not tight at all. So cute. So cute, cute, cute. I love it. Just love it. Oh, this is the next one, guys. This is a one shoulder. Move closer a little bit. This is a one shoulder. It has the string over it, and it does have an adjustable strap also at the back over there. It is such cute, and it does also have a gold zipper going down. So with this, make sure all your accessories are gold and probably the same clear perspex bag. Oh, somebody told me where we going for dinner. This is so cute. And it's also really stretchy. It does have a slit at the back over there. It is just making it look extra, extra, extra sexy. This is showing more skin than the other one. So, yeah, guys, this is such beautiful dress. Ooh, everything I've got so far, I told y'all, banger, banger. Banger, banger. This is so cute. Oh, man. This is gorgeous. Who would thought this came from? I ordered it from SHEIN, but there are other company that is on SHEIN. So, yeah, these are way more expensive than what you see that SHEIN will actually do. I think I got each one like maybe $40 something or $50 some, something like that. So, yeah, guys. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think so far? This third one is looking really, really cute. Told you guys, follow me on Instagram. That's where y'all will see this really, really styled very well or more. Hey, Kiloru, I am better than the chicken in your egusi and your bono. Yeah. Okay, then after dinner, y'all could just go out dancing in this too. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous material. Told you everything I got is non-forgiving. So either you wear a shaper under here and watch what you eat or something like that. But other than that, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, so cute. Okay. 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 Don't take my picture now. Okay. Don't take my picture. Do not take my picture. Okay, you could just take one. You could just take one. Just take one. Ooh. I know, guys. I just can't get enough of me in this one. It is all the way down to my calf. It has the fleur feet, like peplum kind of thing at the hem. Oh, it is also a alter neck. I'm not a fan of an alter neck anything, but this is pretty cute. It is not supporting. I have to like do some adjustments, and it does, the strap on the arm does come with an adjustable hand and stuff, so you could make it work for the chest size you have. But guys, beautiful, gorgeous, elegant, exquisite. This is what the back look like. Oh man, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. What y'all think? Oh, what y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? This is so cute. If you want to be 100% covered up, but you just want a little bit of your chest showing, this is the perfect dress for you. It has a lot of give. so you'll be able to walk with no restriction. I think all of them are the same. I'm looking really luscious. I'm ready for Valentine's Day. I don't know which one to pick for Valentine's Day now. Don't know which outfit to wear. Because they are looking really gorgeous. I feel like I should wear one in the morning just to be wearing it. And then in the afternoon, pick another one. And then in the evening for dinner, pick another one. Come back home and change into another one. Because I can't pick which one I want for Valentine's Day. Guys, honestly, if any of you buy any of this, please go on IG and let me know and show me how you style it. Beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, somebody. So if you don't want to wear the red or the reds, you don't want to associate yourself with the red, or red is not your favorite color, this right here is also a very cute Valentine's Day outfit, guys. Do y'all just see how classy this is? A black outfit, a black dress, a black something is always going to be classy in your closet or on you, whatever way you put it on. This right here is so cute. Come over and show you a lot of details that it has. It has all this lines of holes and stuff on it. It is so gorgeous. It also have the same thing on the leg area. They're both the same thing. So yeah, off the shoulder. So what the back is looking like. If you guys can see that. It also have a button going down. This is such a gorgeous and beautiful dress. Y'all see? Dang, man. Bola. Oh. Jojo, where are we going? Where are we going to dinner? It's pretty long. It's like almost my calf. Yeah, that's where it got to. This is gorgeous, guys. Really modest, really cute, really gorgeous. We're ready to go. Wear this for Valentine's Day. You could wear this for whatever day comes. I had a wedding, bar mitzvah, whatever. You can wear this for prom too. This is cute. Really, really gorgeous, really, really cute. All shows your shape and everything. Also still non-forgiving, but because it's black, you could actually hide your fupa in this one. Really, really loving this. I'm loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Loving it. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, it will notify you every time I drop a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So guys, this outfit are looking really, really bomb on your girl, and I would also like to know if you guys go over there and you copy yourself some dresses over there, and let me know how you style it, how it looks. You could tag me on Instagram at MrstitosTV. And yeah, I hope everybody have a very good Valentine's and have fun with your loved one. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because what? Because God got your back. I'll see you next time. Mwah.